Hi everyone, this is just a quick video with my phone. I want to show you guys the process of making my new brick forge as much as possible. I can't, well, I could, but I don't think it would really be helpful to film everything. For one, that would be a heck of a long video or series of videos on making this forge, but I'll show you guys the steps that we took to build this forge. So the first step that we took here, this cement pad, I made the wooden form to go around that you can see out of just 1x6 boards. And we poured the concrete. We were going to mix it by hand, but we found that one of our friends let us borrow a cement mixer. That took 800 pounds of cement. It's about, well, it goes from about 5 inches thick, or almost 6 inches thick actually, all the way to about 4 inches thick, because down here it's thicker than up there by about an inch, since I didn't dig out the floor level. I dug it down to where the actual ground was before I filled this with stone in it. And that's alright, because it's still just as thick as it needs to be. And we had one bucket, 20-gallon bucket of cement left over, so I decided to make this little plaque, or whatever you'd say. All 4 members in my family, me, mom, dad, and my sister. There wasn't enough room, but we put her initials, or I put her initials, and the date 8/31/18, so hopefully I'll never forget. And there's my bricks. The bricks I got, all these for $75 from an antique store down, probably 15 minutes down the road, if that. And these are old bricks. Try to show you. They're stamped. Oh, there we go. RB&T Co. I think, if I remember, there's 475 bricks there. $75. And I think the history that goes along with it, that's priceless. But here's my cement pad. I think we'll be laying some brick today. I got my mortar over there, along with 2x4s and stuff to build my front wall there. And my shop is pretty much a disaster area around here right now. When I'm done, it'll be cleaned up. This will be a 5x3 forge, so it's pretty big. There it is. And there's a 55-gallon barrel to come in. Pretty dang huge. Hopefully it lasts me forever. And what I'm going to do is I'll put one row for the shell of bricks around it. And then we're going to use blocks and build inside, so that way I can save on bricks. Instead of making it the whole solid 5x3 with brick, I'll have just one shell of bricks filled with block. And then I'm gonna get some, hopefully, 1/2-inch mild steel plate and make my forge pot. I have my blower over there. It's an old Champion blower. It is electric. I don't have a hand crank blower yet, and I probably wouldn't use it as my full-time blower anyway. But here it is. So, stay tuned if you want to see my forge. Hopefully I can get it done in the next month. That's my hope. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like my videos or want to see my future videos.